Shall and will. Use the verbs shall and will as helping verbs, or auxiliary verbs to form the future tense. Examples. Dad will be back for dinner. You will be sick if you eat too much. We shall play a game of football after lunch. He will make lots of friends at his new school. He will speak English. The teacher shall explain the lesson now. When we'll travel. Shall we take a break now? Mark will fix my car. Your children will be the future of this country. I will go to London next week. Shall I cook dinner today? Shall we go for a walk in the park? The company shall provide the necessary equipment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Knowledge Know It.